TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Hi, I'm Gigi the Orange. Wow, what is this? Aha, I feel like taking a dive. Ready? 1, 2, whee! Weehoo! Look, I'm floating! Now I feel like taking off my jacket. La 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 la. Hi, I'm back. One more time. Weehoo! Oh no, I can't float anymore. I sink.
Don't cry, Gigi. It's okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Tahap 1 Didik TV KPM with me, Chris MJ. And today, we will be learning Science DLP for Year 3. But, what is our topic for today? Let's get Gigi and ask our teacher. Let's go! Alright, for today's science lesson, we are here together with Miss Nina.
Hi Chris, hello everyone.
Hi teacher. How are you, teacher?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so I wonder what is... but before that, before I forget, we also want to welcome Mr. Bukhari as our sign language interpreter for today's episode. Hi, Mr. Bukhari. Alright, so I can't wait for today's lesson. I'm sure my friends at home can't wait. What are we going to learn today?
Okay, so today we are going to learn about density. Density, yes.
There it is. Okay, I see it now.
Okay, so in order for us to understand about density, we need to do an activity first.
Oh, okay.
This activity we will observe whether objects will be able to float or sink in water. Just like Gigi just now.
Yeah, this is Gigi over here. We got Gigi. Hi, Gigi. Alright, so what activity is this, teacher?
Okay, so we have a few objects here.
Alright,
So we will test one by one and we will see which ones will float and which ones will sink. And then, Chris, I need you to write down the answer on the board.
Okay, sure, teacher. So, do we check one by one? Do we finish everything first, then only write, or we do it at one go?
It's up to you, Chris.
It's up to me.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, are we ready for our experiment for today? Oh, I love science because I love doing experiments. Okay.
Alright, okay. So, let's start with...
Can we choose anything?
Yes, you can.
Let's go with this rubber ducky.
Yes,
okay.
That's a rubber ducky.
Yeah. Where's the sound? Okay, never mind. There it is. Okay, so rubber ducky goes in the water and will it float or sink?
Ooh, it
okay.
floats. Okay.
So, rubber duck. Objects that float. Okay, rubber duck.
Okay.
Alright.
Next one. What would you like to try?
Do we take this up? Or let it swim there. Let it swim there. It's fine. Okay, next, let's try this.
That's a grape.
A grape. Okay, will the grape sink or float? Let's find out. Ooh, it was about to float, but then it went down. So a grape sinks.
Okay. Grape.
Objects that sink.
Okay.
Alright.
Next one.
Let's see. Let's go with what is this, teacher?
That is macadamia nut.
Macadamia nut. Alright, let's
alright,
try the
let's
macadamia
try.
nut. Oh!
It floats.
Floats. Okay, objects that float.
Macadamia nut.
Macadamia nut.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, next.
Ooh, this is so fun. Okay, what should we try next? Should we go with the spoon? Is the spoon okay?
Okay.
Alright, so my friend said, yeah, the metal spoon.
Okay, metal spoon.
Okay, let's try.
We have a metal spoon. Okay.
The
And then next, try with the plastic
spoon. Okay. Oh,
okay.
that's a different result. And we have one more. This is a
wooden spoon.
Wooden spoon. Okay. Interesting.
Okay.
Teacher. So the
so
object.
different answers.
Different answers.
Yes.
So over here we have the
Metal spoon.
metal spoon, and for objects that float, we have
Plastic spoon and wooden spoon.
the wooden spoon and plastic spoon. Okay.
Okay. Chris,
Yes.
we saw Gigi just now. With its skin, it can float, and without its skin, it will sink. But
Yup.
what if we have a slice of orange?
Ooh. So did we? Are you saying that this is sliced Gigi? Oh no! Oh no! But okay, let's try it out. Let's try it out. A sliced orange. It floats.
It floats.
Okay, so a slice
Sliced
of orange.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, what about the apple?
Okay.
Is an apple like Gigi, the orange?
Let's find out.
Okay.
So there's one with the skin,
Skin,
and without. Ooh, both floats.
Both floats.
So I can just write apple over here.
Yes, correct.
Okay. All right. What else do we have? Do we have time
Okay.
for one more, teacher?
All right, let's try the key.
The key.
Okay.
The key. All right. Will the key sink or float? Let's see. Okay. It sinks.
So the key sinks.
So why did we do this experiment, teacher?
Okay, actually, we can relate the ability of the objects to float with its density. Objects that float are actually less dense than water.
Oh.
And objects that sink are more dense than water. So it's easy to remember, more is at the bottom, less is at the top.
Okay.
Okay.
So objects that float are less,
Less
dense
than
than
water.
water, and objects that sink are more dense than water. Correct, teacher?
Yes, correct.
All right. So we are having fun. Are you having fun? That's right. So what rewards do I get for completing this activity
Okay.
or
Actually, we have a
experiment?
few more.
Yeah.
You can try at home with other things at home. You can try
Alright.
whether it floats,
Okay.
it is less dense or more dense.
Okay, so we have a cork.
Uh-huh,
We have cork. We
cork.
can see. Oh, a cork floats. We got a pebble. Pebble
Oops,
sinks,
okay.
and a bottle cap. A bottle cap floats as well. So there's so
Okay.
many items that we can try. But before we proceed any further, how about we take a short break, teacher? Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, for my friends watching at home, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with teacher Nina here at Science DLP Year 3.
Didik TV KPM.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tahap 1 Didik TV KPM with me Chris MJ and Miss Nina for our science lesson on density. That's right, today we are focusing on Science DLP Year 3. Now Miss Nina, I see on the table here, we are learning science today.
Yes.
But I see so many ingredients on the table. Are we doing some cooking next? What are we doing?
No, don't worry about that, Chris. I'm not gonna ask you to cook something.
Okay, I can't cook. I can't cook. Okay.
So first of all, I want everyone to remember back that objects that float are less dense than water.
Correct.
While objects that sink are more dense than water. But now, I want everyone to understand that density does not only compare with water. It can be with different liquid.
I see.
For example, in front of you there, Chris, you can see coffee and creamer. Both are different types of liquid.
Yes.
And you can see that the creamer is at the bottom.
Right.
And the coffee is on top. So which one is more dense? Which one is less dense than the other?
Okay, I think based on what we explained or discussed earlier, the creamer is more dense than the coffee. The coffee is less dense than the creamer.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Thank
I
you,
think
teacher.
you deserve 3 stars now.
Yay, 3 stars. Thank you very much, teacher.
Okay, so now we are going to explore more about different liquids and their density. So we're going to do an experiment here. Here you have 1.
Okay.
And I have 1. So let's try. We are going to use first coloured water.
Coloured water.
I have one ready here.
Where's my coloured water?
Oh, you don't have one. Okay, why don't you make a new one? Okay.
Oh, can I?
Yes.
Oh.
It's very easy to make coloured water. You just need some water.
Okay.
And then you pour in some food colouring.
Food colouring. Okay, what colour do I have?
Let's find out.
Ooh, green.
That looks really nice.
Look at that. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
So we have green. I have my green water now.
Maybe you can shake it up a little bit.
Shake it up a bit. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Shake.
Yay. Okay, now let's pour into the big jar.
Do we pour everything, teacher?
No.
Just
maybe only half
Okay.
half bottle.
All right. So I got my coloured water. Teacher Nina has red. I have green.
Yep. Okay. That looks really nice.
Wow, look at that. Okay.
Yay. Okay, now I have some liquid soap. So liquid soap, is it more dense or less dense than the coloured water? What do you think, Chris?
I'm not too sure. I guess we'll have to do the experiment to find out.
Okay, and then we also have some oil.
Ah.
Okay, why don't you pour in the liquid soap first and I will pour the oil. And then we exchange.
Sure, teacher.
Okay? Let's look. Oh, wow.
Ooh. Okay. Can you see what's happening, everyone?
Pour some more, Chris.
Pour some more?
Yes, a lot.
Science is so fun.
Okay, can you see the difference?
Yes, teacher. I can see that the liquid soap sinks to the bottom. Can you see? Yeah, it sinks to the bottom.
But look at mine here.
Wow.
What is happening?
Your oil is floating above the red liquid.
Yeah. Okay, now let's exchange.
Okay.
You do with the
Sure.
oil.
I want
I'll
to try
do
with this
soap.
now.
Okay. It's nice that they have different colors. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wow.
Ooh. Wow. My oh my. I'm liking this. Look at what is happening.
Wow, teacher, yours looks very, very interesting.
Yeah.
What is happening over here?
But if you look carefully at the bottom, it's actually sinking. The blue colored liquid soap is actually sinking bit by bit.
Can you see that? Let me turn this around, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. But look at mine, teacher.
Yeah.
This is the oil, and the oil is floating above the green liquid.
Yeah.
And it has nice bubbles too as well.
Well, we cannot really see the blue. I think I want
There it
Oh,
is.
yes.
Yeah. Right.
And can you add some more? We
Right.
want to see.
Okay. Let's see what happens.
Oh, this is really fun.
Okay. So we can see that the blue liquid sinks all the way to the bottom, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. So which one is the most dense between the oil, the coloured water, and also the liquid soap, Chris.
Okay, most dense. That means it has to sink to the lowest. So I think based on this, we can see that the liquid soap is the most dense, teacher.
Yes.
Correct. Compared to the oil and the coloured water.
Yes, you are right. So then, which one is the least dense?
Oh, okay. So the least dense would be the oil because it floats above the coloured water and the liquid soap. So the least dense is oil as compared to liquid soap and coloured water.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Yes.
Okay.
What's
extra,
next?
extra.
Oh, extra.
Let's add some solids here. We have a ball, and also grapes. Okay.
Okay. So this is a. Let's put in the ball. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
How about the grapes?
1, 2, 3. Where did it go? Oh.
Did it sink to the bottom?
It did.
Okay.
It's at the bottom. Yeah, you can see it over here.
Wow. I wonder if you can find objects that will sit in the middle. Ooh, that would be very interesting.
That would be very interesting.
Okay, next. We have to be very quick now. Okay. Everyone, I want you to know one more thing about density, that we can actually add density to plain water.
Oh, we can?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, let me show you. We have some carrots here and plain water. Okay.
Plain water,
Yes,
alright.
add here, plain water.
Okay, how much do you want me to add, teacher?
Half of that.
Half of that, okay.
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 All right. So now we have some carrots that I have cut into the shape of fish.
Okay.
Okay. So put it in there.
Put everything, teacher?
Yes, everything.
Okay.
Will it float or will it sink? Ooh.
Oh!
Hey. Okay.
Some is sinking, some are floating.
Okay.
It could be due to some. Oh,
It's sinking.
It's sinking.
All right. So we can say that the carrot is actually more dense than water.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can actually add density to the water by adding sugar. Okay.
Adding sugar?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we have sugar over here.
All right. Add that one.
Okay. Just add as
Yes.
a lot.
Add, I think 2 spoonfuls.
2 spoonfuls. Okay. 1, 2,
And then you stir.
Okay, let's look at. Sorry, fishies. Okay.
All right.
And let's see what happens.
The fish float.
Maybe let me add one more.
Wanna add more?
Yep.
And we can also add density by adding salt. Okay. So here we have water and salt while waiting.
Teacher, look, teacher. The fishes are floating.
Yes. So now the water and sugar solution are more dense than the carrot. Okay, let me show you with the egg.
Oh, with egg. Okay, let's see.
Actually,
Are you gonna break the egg?
No.
Oh no, you're just gonna put the egg inside.
As we know, egg will sink.
Yeah.
But when we add salt to water, the water becomes more dense, and watch what happens.
The egg floats!
The egg floats!
Alright. So now we know how to add density to water. Wow, thank you very much, teacher, for this exciting experiment. How did I do for this experiment?
You did very, very well, Chris. I think for this activity, you deserve 5 stars.
5 stars! Yay! You guys get 5 stars as well. Well, we're going to clean up a bit because after every experiment, we have to tidy up. Correct, teacher?
Yes.
So we'll take a short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back only on Tahap 1 Didik TV KPM. Okay, saya have to clean.
Didik TV KPM.
Hi everyone, you are watching Tahap 1 on Didik TV KPM, and for today I'm here with Miss Nina where we are focusing on Science DLP Year 3 on our topic of density. Alright, I can't wait for our next experiment, teacher. What are we doing next?
Wow, we did so many experiments today, and you have now more experiments to do.
Yay!
Okay.
Okay,
So
what are we
these
doing next?
experiments are very easy to make because the things that we need are already at home. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what we are going to do. Okay, first, I'm gonna save the best for last. Lava lamp, last one. Okay, suspended egg. Okay, I have here. See? Remember, the egg will actually sink in normal water.
Right.
And if we add salt to the water, it will float. But how to make it suspend in the middle? Look at that. It's actually suspending.
Yeah, teacher, how do you do that?
Actually, at the bottom here is water and salt. Okay. And slowly we pour in normal water. So it will be right in the middle. Actually, we cannot really see the fine line between the salted water and also the normal water.
Right. So there is actually 2 layers in that.
Yes.
Water and salt water.
Yes. So you can actually tell your friends like, I'm a magician.
I can make the egg suspend. Okay, try this at home, okay?
Really cool, right?
okay.
Next, what do we have in front of you there, Chris?
There are raisins and grapes. But teacher, they are going up and down. They are not floating all the way. They are sinking and floating, sinking and floating.
Okay.
What's happening?
What did you do just now with the raisins? What did you add?
With the raisins, I added some soda.
Soda water.
And with the grapes, we added vinegar and soda bicarbonate.
So you can see there that actually there's a reaction in the bottles.
Bubbles.
The vinegar is actually reacting with the soda bicarbonate.
Okay.
And they release carbon dioxide.
Okay.
So you can see air bubbles. They are holding tight to the raisins.
Right.
And it will make the raisin less dense.
I see.
Then it will go up. And
Okay.
once it reaches to the surface, the air bubbles will pop and release the air on top, and the grape will be more dense again and it will fall back. It will sink again, and then more air bubbles will attach to it again, and up and down, up and down.
Wow, that is so cool. Try this at home, everyone.
Yes.
The
You just
grapes are
need
going up and down.
vinegar and also soda bicarbonate.
Okay.
The raisins, you just put in soda water.
So it's the same thing because they're
Yes.
releasing carbon dioxide.
Yes.
And the bubbles help bring the raisin up, pop, and it goes back down.
Yes, it's really interesting because they look like meteoroids or asteroid or something like
exactly.
that.
Wow. Okay, so what other projects do we have?
One more is this one.
What is
These
that?
are actually eggshells. We crush some eggshells.
Okay.
You dry it first, and then crush them and put in some vinegar. The vinegar actually reacts to the eggshells which have carbonate.
Yeah.
So they will also release carbon dioxide. So
I
it will
see.
go up and down. You can see bubbles. See? Oh,
Yeah.
it's
Wow,
rising
it's
on
so
its
cool.
own.
So it goes up and goes down similar to the grapes and raisins.
Exactly.
Wow.
Okay, I told you I'm saving the best for last.
Yes, what is the
okay.
best experiment now?
Remember just now, Chris did the colored water, the green one. I had the
red
one. So,
Okay.
and I also have the blue one. So we actually put in what is less dense than colored water, if you can remember.
Less dense color water. Oil, teacher.
Yes, this layer on top here is oil. If you want to make beautiful lava lamp, you need more oil on
I
top.
see.
And just a little bit colored water down there.
Okay.
So
let's choose the green one, teacher.
Okay, you want to choose the green one?
Yeah, because this was my color. Ha ha ha. Okay, so what do we do
Okay,
next?
so you can turn on the lamp there.
The lamp.
Okay.
Okay.
To make it more interesting, if you can dim the lights a bit, at home you can switch off the lights.
How do we dim it here?
Oh no, I mean
you mean-
studio lights.
I thought you wanted to dim this light. Okay, yeah.
So one more, we need effervescent tablets.
Effervescent tablets,
Effervescent
okay.
tablets.
So
Okay, put it on top.
Ooh,
See?
look at that.
Okay,
let's
now.
put this.
All right.
Wow, already it looks very cool, teacher.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Okay,
we have
now
this.
be a magician. Bring up the green blob of water up.
Zam zam alakazam. Ooh. We can see the bubbles.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, teacher, it looks so cool. Look at that. Wow, can you see the bubbles?
You might want to do with the red one and the blue one also.
Ooh.
See how cool it is.
Okay.
Oh my God, science is awesome.
Science is so Oh, look at that.
Yes, the bubble just popped. Can you see that nice bubble? Oh
Teacher, I
my.
think we should dim the lights just a
Yes.
bit so everyone at home can see how cool this experiment is. Okay, so we got blue, we got red, we got green, and look at the green one. And you're right, teacher, the more oil we add, you can actually see
The
more
movements,
bubbles, the movement of
yes.
bubbles. Okay, let's bring it down. Bring the lights down. Everyone, pay close attention to this. Wow. Can you imagine putting this in your room as a night light?
Exactly.
Wow. Ooh, can you see that? Can you look at my hands? It's become green.
Yeah. Your hands like illuminating.
That's right. We don't need to buy our own lava lamps. You can actually make one at
Yes.
home.
Very easy. You just need oil and colored water.
Can I try putting a different color?
Oh, yes, you can. Ooh, look at
now
that.
it's great. All right, yay! This is so fun. We have finished our projects for today. So, teacher, how did I do for today's class?
Before I give you any more stars, Chris,
Yep.
I hope you can tell everyone again the connection, the relationship between floating objects and density.
Okay, so objects that float are less dense than water.
Okay?
Objects that sink are more dense than water.
Yes, you are right. And because Chris did all of these projects with us for you to see and try at home, she shall receive 6 stars.
6 stars!
Okay.
All right, great job everyone. And teacher, also, where can we find extra materials for today's fun topic, teacher?
Okay, you can always look at the 5 KPM website.
There you go. And with that, we have come to the end of today's science episode. We hope you had fun because we sure did. And with that, I'd like to say also thank you very much to Mr. Bukhari as our sign language interpreter, as well as Ms. Nina for our very fun and engaging lesson. And thank you for watching. Keep staying tuned on Didik TV KPM. Bye everyone!